Stop, bus. Honk.
Yeah, take them out.
Okay, I'm gonna let it dry.
Ba 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 da ba ba. Double step. Da 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 da. What are chance at? What are chance? What?
To my head. Oh, my ring get all hot. I took it off to the sunblock and I got put it on the car? Yeah.
Hola. Get the beer buying. Dude, okay, bro. Where's my phone?
Oh, right.
What can I do right now? What I'm gonna do? Get a better camera angle because he's getting my double chin.
No.
No, we're just gonna spray with that. It's gonna take it on there, you know? When you spray it on, it's gonna get right before the. Hey, what are we doing?
Yeah! Fire! I think it would have done better with that power.
You would have done better with what?
See what happens too
Your
much.
face is all spotted.
Just being in the sun too much.
Yeah,
Your skin just dies, dries out.
Say hi to YouTube again, Melo.
Huh?
Say hi to YouTube again.
Hi, YouTube.
I love hot donuts.
Yeah, diarrhea.
Break the hose just to do that. No. Don't break the hose just to prove a point.
Oh my god. Alex, stop! Okay, just put the car.
I'm sorry, I'll dry it.
No, don't, man.
I'll dry it. Let it go, Alex. Just walk away. Walk away. Your tongues are wet, Alex.
Hey!
That's really my car.
You think you're bad or what?
Okay, you just wet the whole car again. Your toilets are wet. Just let it go. Ew, my toes are now. Okay, run over there. I don't think it's gonna go bad. Turn it off, Alex. Okay, Alex never lets things go. Now he's not gonna let it go right.
Say hi to YouTube. We'll post it up.
Alex is in disciplina.
And disciplina. There's always those words that you stick to keeping them in Spanish. And Alex is on disciplina.
I don't even know that word in Spanish.
In Spanish? You said it in Spanish.
Dude, that's the most I say you run. That's the most I've seen you run. You're like skipping steps.
What? This one.
Alex, so pissed.
Kept it going.
Alex, just let it go. Your chonies are wet.
Your toys are wet. Just let it go.
Okay, what time is it?
Skate time.
Now, John, check your phone.
Oh man, let's stop it.